Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner Foundational Exams, syllabus and the domains and the tips and tricks to be followed. What is the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner? This is a common questions in everyone's mind. So this exam is a foundational level certification with a duration of 90 minutes, okay, consisting of 65 multiple choice questions you will receive. It covers the cloud concepts, security, technology, and billing and support of the AWS. So you need to go through all the concept. Yeah, exam overview. The exam code is CLF-C02. If you search in Google, you will get it. The duration of the exam is 90 minutes and the number of questions are 65, which will be multiple choice or multiple response questions. So the passing score will be 700 out of 1000. It will be scaled score basis. Okay. And the delivery mode will be online proctored. You can take the exam online or you can go to the test center. AWS test center will be there. You can go there and you can take the exam. Whichever suits you, you can go through it. And the cost will be approximately 8,000 in India. The main syllabus or domains of AWS Cloud Practitioner exams are Cloud Concept, which carries the weightage of 24%, and second one is Security and Compliance, which is 30%. This is the second highest, and Cloud Technology and Services, which is of 34%. This is the main concept. You have to focus more on this one. And the final one is Billing, Pricing and Support. This is 12%. So the key topics we will be covering in upcoming. What is the preparation strategy for this one? Week 1 to 2 you can study the cloud concepts and AWS global infrastructure, basic ones. Week 3 to 4 you can deep dive into the IAM, security and compliance. Week 5 to 6 you can practice the core services on hands-on with AWS such as EC2, S3, RDS, Lambda, etc. Week 7 you can review the billing, pricing and support plans. Final way you can take 3 to 4 practical exams that will be available online. If you want the practical exams pattern and questions and answer, let me know in the comment section. The detailed services to study are compute services. In compute services we have to study Amazon EC2. There we will come to know about virtual servers, instance type, pricing models and all, which is very important. And AWS Lambda, this is a serverless compute event driven execution. You don't need to concentrate more on Lambda. And Elastic Beanstalk, this is also application deployment and scaling purpose. Amazon Light Shell, it is simplified VPS host level. Yeah. Second concept you have to focus is storage services. Amazon S3 object storage, say lifecycle policies you will get, and Amazon EBS, it is a block storage for EC2. Amazon EFS is the file storage, and Amazon Glacier or S3 Glacier archival storage. So Amazon S3 Glacier is the main one. Database services, you will also get questions on this one. Amazon RDS is there, which is for MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle and SQL Server, and Amazon DynamoDB. NoSQL data. Amazon DynamoDB is the very important one. You will get minimum of one question from this one. So Amazon Aurora, it's a high performance orational DB, and Amazon Redshift is a data warehousing. And the fourth concept is networking and content delivery. For example, Amazon VPC and Elastic Load Balancer, Amazon CloudFront, Route 56. So networking and content delivery is very important. You will get maximum question from this one. Fifth one is security and identity, which will be IAM, users, group roles and policies. AWS organization, multi-cloud management. AWS Shield and WAF, it's for protection, DDoS attacks and web application firewall. And KMS, it's a key management service, encrypting of the keys. Cloud trial and config logging and compliance. So sixth concept is billing and cost management. AWS pricing models, pay as you go results. So spot different are there. So this is also very important. AWS Cost Explorer is there. AWS budget and support plans. The final one is global infrastructure, regions and availability zones, and edge locations and shared responsibility model. Few of the important topics to focus on are AWS global infrastructure. It will be regions, availability zone, or the edge locations and all, and core services such as EC2, S3, RDS, DynamoDB, VPC, and Lambda. And security, its IAM roles or policies, encryption, compliance frameworks and policies, etc. Under billing and pricing, you will get like free tier, cost calculator, support plans and all. Well architectured framework includes the pillars. This is also important one. So we can go through the playlist. There are multiple videos uploaded which includes the questions and answer for the previous exam. So you will come to know about the pattern and for the helpful for the preparation as well. Yeah, the tips and tricks are: understand the concept, just not memorize. Okay, just go through the concepts and practice the exam. Go through the videos of practice exams and eliminate the wrong answer. This is the main one. If you think like this is not the one, then eliminate it. Then you will get less options. Okay. Use AWS free tier for the hands-on purposes. You can practice on your own. Focus on high weight domains. For example, security technology contains highest weightage, so focus more on it. Time management: 65 questions in 90 minutes is a bit challenging, so you can give 1 to 1.3 minutes per question. Okay, if you find this difficult, just move to next question and you can come back. And official resources are there, you can go through in AWS website also, you will get it. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Thank you so much.